Welcome to Rishiraj Classes YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to deal with few sums of one interesting concept, that is factorization. Actually, the factorization starts from the class 7. Later, when we come to class 8, the factorization concept becomes a little bit more interesting and it continues till standard 10th. Now, the sums which I am going to explain in this video are on the simple concept in that factorization concept, that is how to factorize the given expression by splitting the middle term. Because most of the time other factorization the students find it very easy, but when it comes to splitting the middle term they find it little bit difficult. And as I said, what I am going to explain in this video is going to be helpful for class 8, 9 and 10. Here, though it is only the factorization of one quadratic polynomial by splitting the middle term, later it's going to help you even to solve the sums of quadratic equation, because the basic thing how to solve is same. Later when you come to the quadratic equation, only one or two steps get added there, but the remaining part is going to be same. So even this is going to be very helpful for the students of class 10. So without wasting time, let's start straight away with the first example of this video. But before I start the first example, I would request all of you to press the subscribe button so that you will get the regular updates of such interesting video. So hope by this time all of you have pressed the subscribe button. So even I will start with the first sum of this video. Here the first sum is x square plus 23x plus 132. Actually we have one video which explains in detail how to split the middle term. Because here when we split the middle term, we have to consider the sign of last term as well as the middle term. Because this is very important. Depending on the sign of the last term as well as the middle term, it decides in what way you are going to split the middle term. So here in this case, the last term is plus 132 and the middle term is plus 23. So we have to find two numbers such that their product is 132 and their sum is 23. You have to think a while that product is 132, sum is 23. So in this case, the numbers are 11 and 12. So as it is plus 23, the numbers are plus 11 and plus 12. So now our next step is x square plus 11x plus 12x plus 132. Now from these first two terms, x is common, bracket is x plus 11 plus 12, again this bracket is x plus 11 because 12 into 11 is 132. Now here the common bracket is x plus 11 and the second bracket is x plus 12. This is how we have to factorize. So this was one simple example. Let's check what is our second example. Second example is x square minus 21x plus 108. So now even here product is plus 108. So we have to find two numbers whose product is 108 and sum is 21. Numbers are 12 and 9. 12 into 9 we get 108 and when we add 12 and 9 it's 21. But here it's minus 21. So we have to split this minus 21 as minus 12 and minus 9. So x square minus 12x minus 9x plus 108. X is common from first two terms. X minus 12, from here minus 9 out. As we are taking minus sign out, this plus will become minus 12. 9 into 12 is 108. So again here the common bracket is x minus 12 and the remaining terms, that is x minus 9, will come in the next bracket. Okay. These two sums were quite simple. Let's check what is our third example. Now here the third example is x square plus 12x minus 45. Now here when product is minus, we have to find two numbers. First product is this last number and difference is this middle number. I would like to repeat once again that please do watch that video. Link will be shared in the description box. So here product is 45, difference is 12. Okay, product 45, difference 12. Numbers are 15 and 3. 15 3 is a 45, difference of 15 and 3 is 12. As it is plus 12, greater number, that is 15, will have plus sign, and the smaller number 3 will have minus sign. So this is x square plus 15x minus 3x minus 45. X is common. X plus 15. From here minus 3 common, as minus sign is out. Again here we will get x plus 15. 3 into 15 is 45. Now here the common bracket x plus 15 and the remaining terms in the next bracket, that is x minus 3. See, here it's all the game of sign. So whenever we factorize such expressions, be careful with the sign. Check what are the sign of the different terms, and accordingly we have to split the terms, and accordingly we have to solve the sums, and accordingly we will get the answer. Okay, now let's move to the fourth example. Fourth example is x square minus 14x minus 51. Again here the last term is minus 51. So the product is minus 51 and difference is 14. So we have to find the numbers whose product is 51 and difference is 14. Numbers are 17 and 3. 17 into 3 is 51. 17 and 3, the difference is 14. X square. Now here middle term is having minus sign. So greater number, that is 17, will have minus sign. X common. X minus 17 plus 3 common. X minus 17. X minus 17, x plus 3. So this is how we have to factorize such examples. These were 4 simple examples. Now again in the same type there is slight variation. Yes, we have to split the middle term, but still the sums are a little bit different. So our next examples are of different type. So let's check what are those different type of example what we are going to solve here next. Now here is our fifth example, 2x square plus 5x plus 3. Now what is the difference in this example and the examples which we already solved? In this case we have coefficient for x square other than 1. So in our previous cases the coefficient of x square was 1 everywhere. Check all the 4 previous examples. We had only 1 as the coefficient. So as it is 1, we never write that 1. But here we have 2x square plus 5x plus 3. So in this case, how to split the middle term? Here just we have to do one simple thing. We have to multiply this first coefficient with the last term. Means here 2 into 3. 6 is the product. So 6 is the product. We have to find the numbers whose product is 6 and sum is 5. As it is plus 6. So we have to find the numbers whose product is 6 and sum is 5. Numbers are quite simple, that is 2 and 3. So let's split this 5x as 2x and 3x. 2x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 3. Now in this case 2x is common. Now when we take 2x common, here the remaining term is x. 2x is already out. Usually the students, what they do mistake, as 2x is already out, they straight away close the bracket there, but it's wrong. So here as this complete term is out, we have to write 1. Now even here 3 is common, x plus 1. Now here the common bracket is x plus 1 and the next is 2x plus 3. So this is how we factorized such expression. Let's move to the next example. Now this is our next example, 7x square minus 19x minus 6. Now here we have to multiply first term and last term. 7 into minus 6, it's minus 42. Now here product is minus 42. So we have to find two numbers whose product is 42 and difference is 19. As it is minus 42, product is 42 and difference is 19. So product is 42. So the numbers are 21 and 2. Okay, 21 into 2, product is 42, and 21 minus 2, difference is 19. So we have to split this 19 as 21 and 2. 7x square minus 21x plus 2x minus 6. 7x common. So x minus 3. In this case, plus 2 out. X minus 3. So x minus 3 is the common bracket. 7x plus 2 is the next bracket. So even this example was quite different. Now let's move to the next example. All these examples are different. Whatever examples we solve in our videos are different examples, so that students will understand the concept perfectly, properly, deeply. Because my intention is that students should understand the concept, and that too properly and deeply. So our next example. Now here the seventh example is 6x square minus 17xy minus 3y square. Okay, don't worry about the variable. Even here last term is having variable. Don't worry, it will be solved properly. Just take care of the numbers. 6 into minus 3. 6 into minus 3, product is minus 18. Okay, 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. Now here product is 18 and difference is 17. As it is minus 18, product is 18 and difference is 17. Numbers are quite simple, that is 18 into 1. 18 into 1, product is 18 and difference of 18 and 1 is 17. So we have to split this 17 as 18 and 1. Minus 18xy plus 1xy minus 3y square. Okay. Now from here, the common factors are 6 and x. Remaining terms, x minus 3y. 6 3s are 18 and remaining term y also will come there along with this 3. Now in this case, the common thing is only y. And the remaining terms are x minus 3y. Now the common bracket is x minus 3y and the remaining terms in the next bracket, that is 6x plus y. So even this example was a little bit different. Hope you are understanding the concept properly and deeply. Now let's move to the last example of this video. Comparatively, this is simple example. 3x square minus 22x plus 35. Now what we have to do? Multiply first and last term. 3 into 35. 3 into 35, product is 105. It's plus 105. So product is plus 105 and sum is 22. Whenever the product is plus, we have to find sum. And whenever the product is minus, we have to find a difference. Again, I would like to repeat. Please watch that video. So here, the numbers are 15 and 7. 15 sevens is 105 and 15 plus 7 is 22. As it is minus 22, we have to split it as minus 15 and minus 7. 3x, x minus 5, and from here minus 7. When minus sign is out, even here it becomes minus, means sign changes. So here the common bracket is x minus 5, 3x minus 7. So here we complete 8 examples, 8 different examples based on factorization. As I said, this is very interesting concept. We can say it's one of my favorite concepts, that is factorization, and which is important for class 8, 9 and 10. So please do share this video among the students of class 8, 9 and 10, so that even they will understand the concept of factorization perfectly, properly and deeply. And to get the updates of such interesting and helpful videos, I am sure by this time you have already subscribed our channel. So my dear viewers, thank you so much for watching this video.